Right, okay, we got a really good video for today. I'm really into my space. We got the time lapse of the future, a journey to the end of time. I'm guessing it's gonna have some stuff to do with the world and space and everything, just how everything's gonna pan out for us. It's a long video, so make sure you're ready for this one. It's gonna be really good. I'm really excited to watch this. Let's get straight into it. Right. The volume right? Okay, good. I'm actually excited to watch this, I can't lie. I can't believe I've never seen this before again. Alright. Here we go. Turn down a tiny bit.
The Holocene has ended. What we do now and in the next few years will profoundly affect the next few thousand years.
Aye. Was that us colonizing Mars in 2050?
Known so far,
Climate change.
and changing fast.
Wow.
Nothing stays the same on this planet. Everything changes. The Earth is going into one of these jumps, and you don't know what is going to be on the other side of those jumps. The Earth is always
So
jumping.
cool. Anything about space is so cool.
Things move on this planet.
Bro.
Things are not still. Everything is turning.
Wait, what is this right here? What is this right here? Is that the year that we're in? Super volcanic eruption. We're very, very, very far into the future. Bro, the footprints right? Damn. It's quite a long time that is. Bro, so much is happening. It's going so quick. Wait, what? Mars's ring will become a... Wait, Mars's moon will become a ring? Wait, how? What the hell? That's sick. Saturn's ring will vanish. Holy shit. I wipe out just everything. What, that's scary to think about, that is. That is so scary to think about.
As it begins to run out of fuel, the sun won't simply fade away to nothing. Its core will collapse, and the extra heat
Oceans bro, oh my
it generates
days.
will cause its outer layers to expand.
I love how it's going that quick. You see somewhere in the midst of that. I don't know if you caught it, but if you see at the bottom of the screen, it's telling you what exactly is going to happen. It's going super fast. Pretty much just said, all life dies. It's that quick. Oh, cheers.
The sun is now dead. Its remains slowly cooling.
20
in
billion
freezing
years.
temperatures of deep space.
I can't believe how quick it just went through time like that.
The fate of the sun is the same as for all stars. One day, they must all eventually die, and the cosmos will be plunged into eternal night.
Wow.
All stars eventually will run out of fuel. The temperature of the universe drops. The stars, one by one, in the night sky, will turn off.
Wow.
And there'll be no more new stars created. And so that the universe will end not with a bang, but with a whimper.
Wow.
And not in fire, but in ice.
Bro, even though this is in 425 trillion years, and I will not be around to see that. Man, that's sad, bro. That's sad. White dwarfs are so weird. Look how pretty that is. That's so beautiful.
With no fuel left to burn, a white dwarf's faint glow comes from the last residual heat from its extinguished furnace. Looking at it from where the Earth is now, it would only generate the same amount of light as the full moon on a clear night.
Damn. Crazy.
The faint glow of white dwarfs will provide the only illumination in a dark and empty void littered with dead stars and black
Why is he so
holes.
quiet but the music's so loud? $17 million trillion years.
It's kind of a ghost universe.
Jesus
Corpses with
Christ.
zombie stars that will take us into the future.
Right, hold on. This is a 29-minute video, right? Listen, I know we're going to get into it, but we've just been through the time lapse just like that. Are we going to go back into it and just like having more detail? Like, what's going on here? Are we just going to see just a black screen for another 20 minutes? Because nothing happens after this point. All the stars have died out. The universe is the end. Boom. What's going on? Alright, bumper cars with the planets. Some brown doors collide and form an accidental... Okay. Okay. Boom. New star. Okay. Boom! Wow. Any surviving life forms?
A black dwarf will be the final fate of those last stars. White dwarfs that have become so cold that they barely emit any more heat or light. Black dwarfs are dark, dense, decaying balls of degenerate matter.
He already looks dead.
Little more than the ashes of stars. Their constituent atoms are so severely crushed that black dwarfs are 1,000,000 times denser than our sun.
Crazy. Isn't it true where, like, because of the density of that of the star, like, for example, if I was to go into the star, because of how dense it is, if I age a day and then I go back to the Earth from how density that star is, like, let's say the Earth was still there at this point, the Earth is not there, but I go back to the Earth, everyone would have aged like 100 years or something crazy like that, right? I'm sure that's what happens when you go on to a more density of a planet. That's crazy, bro. How the hell does that work? It's mad when you think about that.
Stars take so long to reach this point. We believe there are currently no black dwarfs in the universe.
What? Oh, because it takes so long. Da da da! Star Wars Death Star. Here it comes. What is this? Black hole swallows stray matter. Jesus Christ. Bro, look how many years we are into the future. we think a lifetime of 100 years is long, man. 666,000 trillion years. Oh, bro, you can't even. Jesus Christ. The last reliable source of power for any exotic future civilization. Huh? You're telling me people is going to be living there?
We have a pace of life that's based on really the energy available to us now. You could imagine living conscious systems which have a very different pace and therefore can extend out at least a lot farther than you'd imagine otherwise. You could have a living system where if it had a thought every 10 trillion years, that would seem normal. Even if our life dies out, one could imagine at some time arbitrarily far in the future, a fluctuation occurs which allows intelligent life to exist again for a little while.
Mad.
So we have islands in time of intelligence.
Crazy. As far as the space, my head is just. No.
A proton, one of the fundamental building blocks of atomic matter, of what makes us up, can just spontaneously fall apart.
No way.
Any material that evades the pull of a black hole eventually dies away as its protons disintegrate.
The thing is, right, these scientists, they've got all the science for this right now. But no. We have Elon Musk. Elon Musk, he will do things that no man could ever think would be imaginable. And we will get a rocket ship, go to Mars, colonize everywhere, create our own stars. I know I'm talking a load of crap right now, but imagine. And everything will be different. We will help
inside black dwarfs.
dying stars to stay alive.
The universe will eventually evaporate away and be carried off into the void as radiation, leaving absolutely nothing behind.
How many times have we gone to nothing? There was meant to be nothing in space 1,000 trillion billion years ago.
There won't be a single atom of matter left.
What is this,
All that
space
will
worms?
remain of our once rich cosmos will be particles of light and black holes.
Crazy. Black hole era begins. Black holes just swallowing everything. What? How has it just emerged?
The arrow of time creates a bright window in the universe's adolescence, during which life is possible.
How is life still possible? How? There's... How have I just heard that wrong? Have I misunderstood? How is, bro, all the planets, all the matter, everything's just being gone. Everything's gone, right? There's nothing but black holes and some forms of light. How is life? How?
But it's a window that doesn't stay open for long.
Only 1 billion trillion years.
Of the lifespan of the universe, as measured from its beginning to the evaporation of the last black hole. Life, as we know it, is only possible for 1,000th of a billion billionth
I'm lost.
of a percent.
I'm lost. How do you even get that number? How does a scientist even get that number?
Black holes become the fundamental building block of the universe. A galaxy will basically be a supermassive black hole in a center with smaller black holes orbiting it.
Oh.
Zombie galaxies filled with black holes continue to evolve.
My head.
They'll eat each other and they'll get bigger, and maybe they'll fall into the supermassive black hole and it'll get bigger. The universe will still be an exciting, dynamic place. It's just that the timescales you're talking about are now trillions of years instead of thousands or millions of years.
Oh my god. Last time I looked at this, it was... Oh, okay. The number's just going up so quick. What on earth is that? Black holes are so weird.
Black holes can bang on space-time like mallets on a drum. And they have a very characteristic song. Imagine two black holes that have lived a long life together. At the end of their lives, they're going around each other, crossing thousands of kilometers in a fraction
It's a little
of a
relationship.
second.
It's cute.
As they do so, they leave behind in their wake a ringing of space, an actual wave on space-time.
Wait. Is this how we're gonna go back in the past? And then we're back? Hi guys! It's the human race!
Space squeezes and stretches as it emanates out from these black holes banging on the universe. Those are the gravitational waves. They are literally the sounds of space ringing. And they will travel out from these black holes at the speed of light as they ring down and coalesce to one spinning, quiet black hole. If you were standing near enough, your ear would resonate with the squeezing and stretching of space. You would literally hear the sound.
Hear the sound of what? What does stretching space sound like? Oh, this?
Imagine a lighter black hole falling into a very heavy black hole. The sound you're hearing is a light black hole banging on space each time it gets close.
I have no clue what's really going on,
As
but
it
this
falls in,
sounds
it
so
gets
good.
faster and it gets louder.
It's space music! Drop the beat. Aye, okay. I knew it was a space beat.
Scientists used to think black holes were immortal, but even these will one day die.
Now we're talking about time scales of unimaginable length, quadrillions of years into the future. On that time scale, even the black holes begin to evaporate.
Crazy. We are now in the year 158 trillion years. Black holes are so cool.
According to quantum mechanics, space is filled with virtual particles, antiparticles, that are constantly materializing in pairs, separating, coming together again, and annihilating each other. In the presence of a black hole, one member of a pair of virtual particles may fall into the hole, leaving the other member without a partner with which to annihilate. The forsaken particle appears to be radiation emitted by the black hole. And so, black holes are not eternal.
Crazy.
They evaporate away at an increasing rate until they vanish in a gigantic explosion.
Holy fuck.
Quantum mechanics has allowed particles and
Thank you,
radiation
Stephen.
to escape from the ultimate prison, a black hole.
As they die, the light of the darkness, one by one. Crazy. Space fireworks. If only you could see it. I reckon we will be able to see it one day. We're on Elon Musk's ship. We're all chilling, right? We're on a massive spaceship, just watching this right now. In this many years. See, this right here is what absolutely blows my mind, right? As the black holes slowly die off, not this part, the universe continues to expand, driven by mysterious force we don't yet understand. Crazy.
Philosophers and poets have asked the question, will the world end in fire or ice? We can now give an answer. The latest evidence shows that the universe is not slowing down, but it's speeding up out of control. And the universe, we think, will die in ice. Trillions upon trillions of years from now.
Oh, my head.
Empty space itself has energy. In every little cubic centimeter of space, whether or not there's stuff, whether or not there's particles, matter, radiation, or whatever, there is still energy, even in the space itself. And this energy, according to Einstein, exerts a push on the universe.
What is the weird stuff that's accelerating the universe? We call it dark energy. And this stuff is the dominant stuff of the universe. Almost 3/4 of the matter-energy content of the universe is this dark energy. And we don't know what it is.
It's crazy.
Dark energy, unlike matter or radiation, does not dilute away as the universe expands. This has crucial implications for what the universe is going to do in the future.
So what will be the future of the universe? Well, if the dark energy remains dominant and repulsive,
we don't know.
The universe will expand forever.
Oh.
Faster and faster and faster with time. A runaway universe.
70% of the energy of the universe resides in empty space, and we don't understand why. But we do know what will happen if that energy continues to be there. The universe will become cold and dark and empty. That's the future as it might be. We don't know because we don't yet understand the nature of dark energy. Until we do, we won't know the future. We won't even understand our own origins. And that's why we want to know and study this subject.
Crazy. If it's about we go, okay, interesting. Interesting. Oh my God. Oh my days, bro, my brain. It's just one of those things you just want to know.
For an ever colder, ever emptier universe. But then, of course, we have to ask, could that end lead to a new beginning? And there are ideas whereby what actually is the end of our universe could in some sense be linked to the beginning of a new one.
Really? Elon Musk! Wait, we could create a simulated virtual universe, or with enough energy, create another one just like a... That's what I said earlier about Elon Musk doing it.
Mathematics, the equations, they seem to say that if you have an atom smasher that can concentrate tremendous amounts of energy at a single point, you can perhaps open up a gateway, a baby universe. Facing the death of everything there is, this perhaps is their only possibility of escape. And this also raises a very intriguing possibility, sheer speculation of course, that perhaps any universe that has intelligent life in it will create baby universes, will create lifeboats, and proliferate child universes.
What the fuck?
So an evolution may take among universes in the multiverse. Survival of the fittest may take place. So those universes which do not have intelligent life are infertile. They have no children. But those universes that have mild temperatures, stars like us, would create civilizations that could open up child universes, and they would then proliferate.
This is mental. I love how it says like it will bathe the universe in one last light again, right? And then if you look at how much the light's lasting, it's lasting, I think it's gone up already 20 billion trillion years. So it's gonna bathe the universe in one last light for a very, very, very long time. Very, very long time. Oh, it's been 100 of them now. 300 of them. One last time is a very long time. Oh my god. 1 trillion. Jesus.
After an unimaginable length of time, even the black holes will have evaporated, and the universe will be nothing but a sea of photons gradually tending towards the same temperature as the expansion of the universe cools them towards absolute zero.
Mad.
Once the very last remnants of the very last stars have finally decayed away to nothing, and everything reaches the same temperature, the story of the universe finally comes to an end.
Bro!
For the first time in its life, the universe will be permanent and unchanging. Entropy finally stops increasing because the cosmos cannot get any more disordered.
I don't like this.
Nothing happens, and it keeps not happening forever.
No. End it. I don't like this. Wow. Aye. I don't like that. The way you said the ending right now, I'm not even going to repeat it. That was a really good video. We went through the part of the human life very quick. Within like 2 minutes. No, within like a minute. We went through the human life. I was low-key expecting a lot about, you know, us as humans and how like we're gonna, like what's gonna happen for us in the future, but it kind of just went straight into the space part of things. But I love space, so I'm absolutely fine with that. That was crazy. Really good video. Can't believe I've never seen that before. Glad I did. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you do leave a thumbs up. If you guys are enjoying my content and you do want to watch more videos like these, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.